everyone, my name is Josh Martin, Solutions Architect here at Cyolo, and today I'm going to be demonstrating some of Cyolo's agentless secure mode access capabilities. Cyolo is an agentless first platform, meaning that for 98% of applications and protocols, end users do not need to install any type of software agent. They're able to access all of their assets directly through their web browser. To start with, let's take a look at a web application. So this is a Moxa gateway that has a local web interface on it, and we're able to access that, again, directly through our web browser. But that's just a web application. Let's look at something a little trickier. So for RDP connections, when I select my engineering workstation, I'm given two options. I can have this session delivered completely in my web browser, again, agentlessly, or even use my native RDP client to connect to my server. Again, no agent required. So let's go ahead and click on web. I click finish, and now I am brought directly to my Windows server. I can interact with Server Manager, do whatever job I needed to do. And we can also see that session recording is enabled. So if you're using the web-based session or you're using the native client session, Cyolo is able to capture video recordings of what the user did within the session. Now, similar to RDP, we offer the same experience for SSH sessions. I can have the session delivered in my web browser or use my native terminal. When I select web, I will be brought directly to my command line interface on this Linux host. And again, we see that session recording is enabled. Same for web-based and native client sessions.